Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell XRP on Binance. First, you will need to log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to your wallet. You can usually find this option in the top right corner or a main navigation bar. From there, select your spot wallet to view all your cryptocurrency holdings, including your XRP. Ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for security. Now that you've located your XRP, click on it and select the Trade option. This will take you to the trading interface. Here, you'll see a Buy and Sell tab. Click on Sell. You have two main choices: a market order, which sells your XRP immediately at the current market price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price at which you want to sell. Once you've chosen your order type, enter the amount of XRP you wish to sell. For example, you might sell 100 XRP. If using a limit order, specify your desired selling price. Always double-check all the details, including the total amount you expect to receive, before proceeding. Finally, click the Sell XRP button to confirm and execute your trade. Congratulations, your XRP has now been sold. The funds, typically in a stablecoin like USD or a fiat currency, will be credited to your spot wallet. You can verify this by checking your wallet balance. From here, you have a couple of options. You can choose to withdraw these funds to your bank account, or you can use them to purchase other cryptocurrencies on Binance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.